So I want to tell you about Social Media Jungle Club. I work with a lot of business owners that tell me they want to do more with social media, but they think it's a jungle. There's a lot of noise, there's a lot of confusion, they're not sure what to do. They feel kind of lost. And there's other people that are offering a done for you service where you can pay them to do your social media for you. But that service typically costs anywhere from $500 to $1,000 to $1,500 a month. I know of companies that charge $2,000 a month. Well, business owners are telling me they can't afford that, but they want to do more with social media, but they feel stuck and they just don't know what to do. So guess what? I created Social Media Jungle Club. Wouldn't you agree there's a lot of noise and confusion on social media right now? A lot of people making a lot of noise and shouting out a lot of stuff. We can help each other by engaging with each other in social media. Did you know that every time you click that like button on one of your friends' posts, or you leave a thoughtful comment, or you click the share or repost button, you're doing a little bit of a part to boost their post above all that noise and confusion. And every time you interact with someone else, they can see you and you become more visible to them. So here's my idea. We create an active community of small business owners and entrepreneurs who want to join forces and help support each other on social media. So that's what we're doing. I've built it. It's done. Come join it. Come check it out. So the first thing you'll do is you're going to join this active community. And you may say, I don't know what to do on social media. That's okay, because I'm also going to provide all the training and all the details that you need. Let me tell you exactly how it's going to work. So I already told you it's about supporting each other online. That progression is going to naturally just elevate and build each person's social media, because each time you engage in social media, you're giving them a little bit of a ding, a little bit of an encouragement, a little bit of boost to what they're doing. And then they see you do it, which automatically feeds back to you. And now your posts are more visible to them. So it's a really cool win-win opportunity. And you're like, I don't know how to do social media, CJ. I don't know what to do. I don't know how to do it. That's where I'm going to come in and offer live training and education. So here's what you're going to get if you decide to join this club. You're going to get training, you're going to get support, and we're going to take live action together. So not only will you learn how to do the social media for your business, you're going to be surrounded by a supportive community of other business owners taking action to grow each other's business. You'll learn exactly what to do, how to do it, and gain access to tools that will help you do more in less time. So as soon as you sign up for that, you're going to get an invite to our members only page. On the members only page, you're going to then be able to join our private Facebook group. That's where we're going to have kind of our group chat. It's all going to take place in this private Facebook group with only our active members are going to be part of that community. And this is where you'll be able to get support from the other members. We're going to do our training right in there. I'll come right back to that. And it's going to be a place where you can ask additional questions. Everyone who joins the club is going to submit to me basically your name and the social media links that you want other people to follow you on. I've created a spreadsheet and I'm going to put everyone's information into this spreadsheet so that when you join, you can go through on whichever platforms you use, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, YouTube, LinkedIn, and any others. Some of our members are already submitting TikTok and some of the other things that they want to promote, YouTube channels. So whichever ones you want to promote, we're going to put it in that list. And that way each person can follow each other person on the communities and on the platforms that you want to. Then we're going to do some live Zoom training. I'm going to offer you 2 times a month where we're going to go live into that Facebook group and also on a Zoom call. So you can jump right on and you can ask live questions. And I'm going to teach you over the course of these next few weeks and months how to do your social media. All the training that we do is going to be added to the members page, and it's going to be available in the Facebook group so that you'll be able to start at the beginning and go through all the training no matter when you've joined the club. You're going to have access to everything that came before and everything that comes after. We're also going to show you how to create and follow your very own social media plan. Now, check this out, something that I personally developed over the last year or so is my own plan for posting on social media. And it's color coordinated so that I can see exactly which kinds of posts that I'm presenting. Here's this month so far. You don't have to do this. You don't have to make it that complicated or do that many number of posts. But what I want to show you is we can set you up for success. We can teach you how you can use some automation tools, and you can create for yourself a plan, and then you can pre-program that plan, and you can choose to do as much or as little as you want with social media. It's something you can do a little bit every day. It's something you can work on once a week. It's something you can work on once a month. Fit it into your schedule and make it work for you. And the more you work it, the more it works for you, and it will just feed back on itself with positive results the more that you work it. And you'll have access to additional resources and recommendations. You can start this program at zero. You know nothing about social media. Maybe you don't have anything set up at all. And we're going to walk you through each individual step to build up your social media profiles and take those actions. And I want you to know I have a really gentle, easy approach to social media. In fact, I don't think you should jump into it and start posting, "Hey everyone, look at me, buy my thing, buy my thing." I'm going to show you that's not the right way to approach social media. It's going to be a very gentle, easy approach. We're going to begin by showing you how to do a little bit of ethical lurking. That is to say, I want you to read, I want you to share, and I want you to see what's happening before you even begin to do your own posts. I'm already getting into the training. I'm so excited. I'm already getting right into it. So I just want you to know that it's going to be an easy way for you to jump into that community and get started in social media, no matter what your interest level is, education level is, or time commitment. We're going to fit it into your schedule. So that's Social Media Jungle Club. Check it out here on the website, socialmediajungle.club. This video is going to go right between that top headline and that first sign up now button. The video that we're in right now is going to go right there on the page. Very meta. But anyway, when you come back, you'll see this video right there introducing you to Social Media Jungle Club. I'm really excited about it, and I really hope that it helps a lot of people's business. We're going to have a great time, and we're going to help a lot of people with their social media. It's going to be a good time. Going to be a good time, everybody. So what do you think? Well, let me know. Leave me a comment. Let me know underneath this video if you think that's a great idea. If you have any other questions about what that club is going to be like, or how to get involved, or anything about it, send me an email, send me a text, DM me, drop me a line, give me a call, send me an email, and leave me a comment, and I'm happy to answer any questions that you have.